Hello my friends, today we are going to be doing the new house tour, quickly showing you what we were doing last week. I shared the fact that we were actually moving and we packed the house up, and it was definitely an emotional goodbye. But we are moving forward. I'm excited to share with you the new house, and so just sit back and relax and let's get started. We're going to start from the front porch. So it's all screened in. Mosquitoes here are crazy. And we got to bring our porch swing, which I was really happy about. So we'll take that one down. That's more of our stuff. It's a mess. We'll get it there though. And so I'm going to take you in. Just for privacy, I won't show a lot of the front of the house, but it's really cute. It looks like an old little charming Victorian house, which is cute. The gentleman, only one other man, lived in here with his late wife, and they built it here. So here's my bedroom. Excuse me. I'm wheezing quite a bit right now, so forgive me. So here, look. Vintage authentic. So this is my room, and then here's our bathroom. A little shower there, and Chris and I are deciding which closet. Little pocket door, which is nice. So this is, it's got sweet little I can't think of what those called, but you know, it's like octagon windows or whatever, which is really sweet. Really, and I love the window. Lots of natural lighting in here, which I'm thankful for. And then we'll go over here. If you guys remember, leave a comment below, like a star emoji. If you guys remember the palette wall back in the day, Purposeful Joy days. So here is the dining room, and I love all the arches. And then it's got those same really pretty windows. Have a little desk area, a sitting area right there. Come on, Ruby. Right here. Little closet under the stairs, which is kind of cool. Here is the living room. Up there is the loft. I'll show you in a minute. And here's the kitchen. Pantry. I'm gonna take you outside. My mom does? Okay, yeah. Here's the back porch. It's also screened in, which is so great. So, listen to that sound. And that's like the top of a hill back there, and it's just beautiful. You hear that? I haven't heard that in a lot of years, you guys, and I'm thankful to hear that right now. It's been a journey. It's been hard, lots and lots of tears, but I'm thankful for that sound. So here's the back porch. They're my girls. Okay, and let me go in here. Right. Little islands. Another view for the dining room. And then this is okay, what you need? Here's Emma's room downstairs. Emma's room. And then let me it's okay, you're fine, just give me 1 second. Okay, really quick, we'll go upstairs. Yeah, I'm just doing a quick little run through so our friends can see where we're gonna be forever. Here's at the loft. This is where Noah and Josiah will be sleeping. This is the view down here. Drew's turning 18, and so he's not gonna be with us forever. So this is just for the interim, and it's a really nice little loft area. And then come over here, there's the bathroom. Liam's room, ooh, cologne.
He needs help making the bed.
But remember, we got floors coming in, so you really don't want to go too
In
crazy.
here?
Yeah, baby.
So why are we trying to make a bed?
Is this Drew's bed?
No, Drew's in there.
I know, this is Drew's old bed? Yeah, it is. Because he wants to, but they're going to be making...
When are they coming in?
Monday morning.
Monday morning?
So, let me show the view right here. It's really pretty.
Can you open the window?
I wouldn't just yet.
Why?
When a house has been vacant for a while, you don't want to just start opening windows. Bugs can be out there. So here's Drew's room.
I'm gonna get my game stuff ready.
What's up, guys? All right.
Come on, welcome to my crib.
Where's the cat?
Well, I got a room, and so did the kitty right up in here.
Right in
I don't know if you
there.
can see her.
Oh, sweet Airy.
Oh, she looks so cute.
She's so precious.
Yeah.
And then here's Drew's view from his. Drew, there are going to be extra desks you can take. Well, you can take the L-shaped desk.
Yeah, true.
All right, and so what you need?
Correction.
Come on, Hazel.
Wait, would you be mad if I take this mattress out? Like,
Put it in the garage.
Where are we putting the beds?
Against this 2 wall, and we'll put something, a dresser here for you, that gray one downstairs, and then we can put the TV above there. Or
I feel like we should do a bed and a bed.
that's a. What if you did that right there, right here? What you think? What you know what? We'll figure it out. What we'll do when we get some of the stuff out of here, we'll lay the mattresses on the floor and we'll see how it fits better for you guys. Okay?
Yeah, I personally, if we were choosing out,
You can choose.
I think one bed should be right there, one should be right there, so we have our own like privacy
In space, yeah.
And I want to be right there, so my gaming setup is like right there.
I understand. Just remember the closet's there.
Oh.
Okay. Well,
Does that closet slide or does it just open out?
no, it opens up like your it opens up like at the old house, not the last house with the house before. Yeah, like an accordion style. Yep. So this is the overview of the house, and we're very thankful for this opportunity to have. Okay, it's been a rough couple days. We're very thankful to have this land and be able to have more room for our kiddos, and it's very peaceful out there. You know, in an HOA community, CVV community, which what we were in, you're not allowed. You're very limited on the things that you can do, especially when you don't have enough space. And so here we're planning on adding a master suite eventually, adding a master suite and adding a pool for the kiddos. That's first. We want to do everything for the kiddos first. Okay, you can talk. What? Yep. Hazel just pottied in the room?
Like pee or poop?
Okay, well, that is actually, Hazel is the reason why on Monday morning they're coming and ripping out all the carpet, and we are investing in new floors. It's going to be all vinyl throughout the house.
Where you can slide on it?
Every square inch of this house will have a hard floor. The bathrooms will be next or later, not now, but everything, including the stairs, going to be floors. And then we're going to have someone come and take this out and do an actual rail, which would be beautiful. And then everything else, we're going to do it slowly but surely. The floors, since it's the entire house, we are actually, thankfully Chris was able to get a nice little discount because he knows the people, but they're going to be able to do it just because he can't physically do floors right now with working, and neither can I. Not with Emma. Just trying to Yes, baby.
Are we getting a pool where they dig it out or will they pop it in?
Yeah, we're going to get a pool that they dig out.
So it's going to be like a month?
We have to get all the quotes and stuff. Okay, hardly can see me. So yeah, we're going to I'll tell them and you can hear me as well. Monday they're coming to rip all the carpet out and all the flooring. Now, the wood floors are engineered and they're already like peeling up, so I tried to see if I could resand them. They told me I couldn't, so We're gonna float all the floors throughout the house except for the carpet. We are gonna rip that out. And then we will be putting in a stair rail. But the priority right now is obviously the floors. Just because Hazel destroys everything, bless her heart. And the fence. So the fence is, we got somebody coming again on, I think next week, to give us a quote on the fence so the dogs can go outside and play on their own. And then get the yard treated because it is filled with fire ants, which is Florida. You know, you kind of have to like just kind of go with the flow. So those are our priorities right now. Everything else will be us doing it little by little. So, hi.
This is your bathroom stuff?
Yeah, no, Drew.
Upstairs?
So
Here, there you go.
It's all Drew's.
Thank you so much.
Thank
You're
you,
such a good help.
Sonia.
You're such a good help.
Thank you. Yeah, that's hold on. That's the deal. And then we are gonna have someone come out and give us a quote for the pool. That doesn't mean we're building a pool tomorrow, but we're getting quotes for a pool. We're just kind of looking. We're not. There's no money tree in this house, so you know we gotta take our time.
And also, I have a question. When we get the pool, are we gonna put like a full-on screen or like?
When we get a pool, we will most likely do a screen.
We should do like you know how like they have little nets around it so Emma doesn't get in. I feel like
You know what? When we decide that we are going to pull the trigger for a pool, that is something that we can discuss. As of right now, I am just trying to unpack boxes, get Emma's room set up because she's been crying for so many days straight because she just doesn't know what's going on. She needs some normalcy, if that's the word. We need to unpack boxes and get our life under control.
And if we don't get a pool, we can get like an overground one, maybe.
That's an option too, baby. Everything's an option right now. So I just wanted to share this little update with you guys. I boo-hooed a lot. You've seen me, and I thank you for the grace. This has just been it's just, you know, any change. It's like every time I move from a house, even if it's, you know, to something bigger and better, it's always bittersweet leaving your last home. Especially when you made such amazing memories there and you brought babies home there, it's just bittersweet. So it doesn't matter where I go, I always get attached to where I'm at. And change can sometimes be hard for me, but you know, as a mom, I just want to make sure I'm not messing the kids up, that I know that this is better for our family. It's still a blessing. I also want to teach my kids that it's a blessing to have a roof over your head, and we need to be thankful no matter what that roof looks like. Whether it was built in 2021 or if it was built in 1950. It doesn't matter, we have a roof over our head, and that is really what matters. It is so easy to get blinded by the nice shiny things. I do. But one of the things about that other house is I had to let it go because God was telling me to let it go. And that was hard because she was pretty and I loved her. But the hardest thing about the whole thing was having to grieve what I had hoped would be. That's why it was so hard for me. So thank you for grace and understanding. I don't plan on coming up. Hey, baby. I don't plan on coming over here just like boo-hooing all the time. But I didn't know how to like navigate through that. I'm not going to fake it. I'm just not. And I guess if I get criticized for how I'm feeling in the moment, then that's okay because I'm human and I can only do my best. But thank you for all of the love and support as I go and navigate this next season because it's a lot of uncertainties. But we know one thing is that we have each other, and it's not the four walls that make a house, it's the people inside of it. And so it is very hard and almost seems ridiculous to let a house like that go. But when you're sacrificing your peace every day and you know it's only going to get worse, and we know that it's just going to get worse, then it was something that we had to do, make an educated decision to do. God put that seed in my heart, and He continued to validate constantly that it had to go. And it was hard. I can't tell you how much I have cried. I've cried today, yesterday, multiple times the day before. I cried when I walked out of the house last night. It has been one of the hardest things I've had to do. But it's time to get back to the basics and simplify our life and focus on the family. So, and you don't have to sell your house to do that, but that's just the path that God has for us, and I have to be obedient. So thank you for this journey, being here on this journey. I'm excited to make this house home, and I hope you guys don't go. I don't have a shiny white kitchen anymore. There's a part of me that was worried, but I just have to know and trust that We don't need all the pretty things to bring value to the world. We just need you. Love you guys. Bye.